Didn't do it, sir.
Why? And you are not there in the last class also. You just joined the class and you left the class. And you know what happened in the ATM also?
There was PTM.
No, it's not for all, only with few people. What is the reason in that? That give the answer. What about others? Sri Harsha, Suhana, and Ashwath.
Yes, sir, done.
Then good. What about Ashwath? Ashwath, have you done the homework or not?
Sir, which one, sir?
In the last class, I have given for you the homework, right? Pollination.
That we need to do we need to pollinate the flowers, sir.
Yeah, I have asked you to write the short note on the pollination and the types of pollination.
It's not feeling well that time.
Turn on your cam, everyone, first. Daksh, Suhana, Sri Harsh, and Ashwath.
Come on, come on. Sir, wait. Okay.
Good evening, Deepthi.
Good evening.
Okay, so
Good evening, sir.
first I will check the homework, then we'll continue with the topic. First, Suhana, what's your homework?
So, here, the pollination. So, I want to write about the pollination that one.
Okay.
Share.
So just show me your homework in the cam. What are the homework you have done? Have you written in the classwork notes?
So, I have written an A4 sheet paper.
Okay,
I
just
don't
show me
have
the
classwork.
A4 sheet papers.
Yes, sir.
Daksh, you're also be ready with your A4 sheet papers.
Yes, sir.
Next, Riharsha and Deepthi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, have done the homework.
Sorry, sir. I will do it. This homework and the next homework I will show it in the next class.
Okay. So Suhana and Daksh,
Yes, sir.
show your homeworks fast.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
showing.
Good. Hold it properly. Hold the paper
Wait, sir.
properly.
Wait, sir. Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, good. That's all. Only one side.
There are only one side, sir.
Okay, very
That
good.
is a short note.
Okay. Suhana, what about you?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, I have wrote the meaning of pollination.
Sorry.
Sir, but you said meaning of pollination. Write a short note on
Yeah,
pollination.
I have wrote the meanings of pollination.
And sir, examples of pollination, sir. You told.
Sir, I'll show my homework by the end of the class.
Or maybe he'll do in class.
Okay. So we'll start with the topic, that is the components of the food. This is a revision class we're going to start from today onwards. So tell me first. Sorry.
Yes,
We're
sir.
going to start the food. Where does this comes from, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the different sources of the food? So first, which will prepare the food? So from first, where will get the food, and what are the ingredients are present in the food?
The plants and animals to get the food.
Animals will prepare the food.
No, sir, prepare not, sir.
Sir, eggs.
Eggs. Generally, plants will prepare the food, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but even animals, sir, they give us eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Animals will not prepare the food. Animals will depend upon the plants for the food, right? Generally, plants are called as an autotrophs, which will prepare the food on their own. Okay, with the help of the photosynthesis process, with the help of the sunlight and the chlorophyll, along with the water and the carbon dioxide that we studied in the last classes. So plants will prepare the food and will store in the different parts of the plant. Now, animals and all the living other organisms will depend upon the plants for the food. So again, if you take the food, it will have the different varieties. We have the different ingredients are there in that, right? So each and every material in the food is called as an ingredient. Suppose if you want to prepare a curry, what are the different ingredients will be there in that?
Sir, which curry, sir?
Take any curry. Which curry will take? We'll take aloo curry.
Sir, first of
Okay,
all,
sir.
we need potato. Sir, then we need salt.
Mm,
Water.
Yeah.
Oil,
oil, good.
spices, potato.
Potato.
Yeah, that's all.
Spices, sir.
Spices, sir. Yes, sir. Spices.
And oil.
That's all.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, we need a lot of things more, sir. But
Now we
we,
are putting some.
So anybody knows cooking here?
sir, leaves.
Yes, sir. Need.
How many of you know the cooking? Raise your hands.
Sir, and water.
Okay. Drona, good evening. After seeing you after a long time.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. You, sir?
I'm good. Okay. Now tell me one by one, Suhana.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different ingredients are present in the aloo curry?
Oil,
Oil.
spices,
Mm.
potato, and meat. And some extra spices for the taste.
Hmm. That's all.
Yes, sir. I
Good.
will make like that only.
What about the Ashwath?
Sir, we need potato, spices, water, leaves, salt, potato,
Mm. Next,
food color.
food color. Okay. Next.
Sir, no, sir. Wait.
Okay. Good.
Different vegetables.
Okay. Last one is Dipti.
Sir, alus and potatoes, water, oil, and some spices, salt, turmeric, curry leaves, and some masala.
Very good. So first we'll take the potatoes, then we'll have the oil, onions, chili, right? Turmeric or ginger or the spices, the salt,
Sir,
curry leaves.
then we will boil the potatoes.
Yeah, all the things are called as an individual things are called as an ingredients. So if you take any food, it will have a lot of ingredients will be there. Okay. So except the raw food like
Sir, we need a lot
fruits.
of things, sir.
Okay. So that we are going to study. So most of the ingredients are coming from the plants itself because plants are the food factory and they will only prepare the food with the help of the photosynthesis process. The remaining all will depend upon the plants for their survival on the earth. Okay. Suppose if you take dal, what are the ingredients inside the dal? Pulses will be there, water will be there, salt will be there, oil, ghee, species. So these are the different ingredients are there in the dal.
Sir, even some leaves also.
Yeah, even some leaves also will add like this. Okay, good.
Sir, in dal should be there, right?
In dal,
Sir, he's saying that in dal will be dal will be there.
okay, okay. So the food material and their sources. It's very, very important. What are the different materials, food materials are there and what are the different sources for that? Suppose if we take egg, eggs may come from the ants, ducks, right?
Yes, sir.
Or some
From
from birds
animals.
also, from the animals. Or if you take fruits will come only from the plants. So you have to
Plant
different
source.
plants will be there and you'll get the fruits from the plants. So these are the animal products and the plant products. Again, whatever the food materials are there, you can divide into two types. Which are the products which are coming from the plant? Those are the plant products. Which are coming from the animals? Those are the animal
Animal
products.
products.
Sir, veg and non-veg also.
Yeah, veg and non-veg. We will take it like that. But milk is an animal product only, right?
Yes, sir. Sir,
It is a
sir,
veg.
is milk veg or non-veg?
According to me, it is a
Milk
veg only.
is veg.
A person who will
Yes,
not
sir.
eat
It's veg, sir.
animal products and will not eat chicken or something, he will be called a vegan. But vegetarian will eat, will drink and eat
Milk.
animal products.
Vegan, yeah, that's
Yeah, the people who don't eat eggs or any type of animal made products are called, those type of people are called as vegan.
chicken curry.
Very good. Okay. So you can see some images here. So how we can get the food? Suppose you want to
Sir,
get the wheat or we have to
sir,
get the rice.
by
The
harvesting
rice are from
wheat,
plants.
So we'll do the agriculture work, right? The farmers
rice.
will
Yes,
produce
sir.
will grow the rice or the wheat or the whichever the things required, we'll grow it in the agriculture paddy fields and all. So from there we'll go to the market. From there we'll buy it and come.
Yes, they don't hard work for the rice.
Yeah. So if you take the India, so India is a mostly depends upon the agriculture only. The economy from the both depend upon the agriculture. Most of the
Sir, for
people
world
also
70%, India will only send the spices, sir.
okay, good. So if you take the India as example, the most of the population will depends only upon the agriculture practice. So you can see here idli, we have the rice, urd dal, salt, water, which will have the different sources. If you take the rice, it is coming from the plant source, and if you take the urd dal, it is coming from the again the plant source.
I use plant
Salt,
source.
what about the salt?
Sir, salt is
Sir,
not.
see.
Salt is from the sea water.
Sir, it's from the nature, sir. We can't say it's an
Yeah.
animal. It's
Sir,
we
even
can't say it's a,
salt can be from rocks also, sir. It's
Yeah.
called rock salt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Rock salt.
Okay, salt will get from the sea water or
And
from the rock.
for sea salt, people will they'll collect rainwater. Sorry, they'll collect sea water
Water
and
in blocks. Sir,
And
but
water,
most they will prefer the seawater salt only.
so mostly we'll get the salt from the sea water
yes,
itself,
sir.
and the water will get from the already from the groundwater or something other source will get the water.
rainwater.
Sir, they will evaporate that.
Yeah. Then chicken curry, what are the different ingredients are there in that and what is the source of that?
Sir, obviously in chicken curry, chicken is there.
Chicken, that is an animal product, right?
Sir, it's an animal source, sir.
Mm.
Non-vegetarian.
It is an
I'm
animal product.
vegetarian.
Spices, oil, ghee, water, and all the things will be there. Next, kheer. So inside the kheer also you have the milk, rice, sugar, everything will be there. These are the animal products and the plant products.
Sir, I never ate kheer.
Sir, what is kheer?
Kheer
Kheer is
means
a
some type of sweet.
milky.
Sweet. Sir, for puja they'll use it also.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah.
So these are the different things. Now we are getting the products from the plants. Those are considered plant products. So again, there are two types are there. One is edible products. The other one is the inedible parts. Right?
Sir, edible products we can eat that directly, sir.
Edible
Sir,
parts means
okay,
which you can
I
eat.
got to know what is kheer.
Sorry, you got an?
I got to know what is kheer, sir. We call it something else. That's it.
I should I didn't understand.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Suppose if we take the plant, it will have the both edible parts and the non-edible parts will be there. Okay.
Sir means the part for cooking.
No, edible parts are nothing but the parts which you can eat directly without any harmful. If you eat that one, there is no issue at all. There is no harmness.
Yes, sir.
So non-edible part means we should cook that.
No, it should
No.
have some
Sir,
dangerous
it's
to the
example
human.
a rock, sir. We can't eat it, sir. It's not edible.
It's not edible. Okay, good. So whichever will cause the poisonous or the damage to our health, those are the non-edible parts, which we should not eat that one. Okay. So we have seen already the different parts of the plant in last time: node, internode, bud, shoot system, root system, the primary root, secondary root. Just see that picture and tell me if you have any doubts.
Sir, which parts of a plant are not edible, sir?
Suppose if you take normal plants, the root is a not edible part only, right? Apart
Sir,
from
flower.
carrot or
Sir,
maybe
sometimes flower
Sir,
also.
flower.
Yes,
sometimes
sir.
in some
First
plants,
stem.
flowers will be there, which are very poisonous in nature.
Sometimes stem also, yes, sir. Sometimes root.
Sir,
No, it
sometimes
depends upon the
leaves
plant to
also.
plant.
Yes, sir.
It depends
Sometimes
upon the
everything.
plants to plants. Yeah, that's what. So all the plants will not have the constant edible or the non-edible parts. It depends upon the
Yes,
completely.
sir. They
Sir,
have
One
but
different
plant to.
edible
for
and
cactus
non-edible
plant,
food sources,
sir,
sir.
but for cactus plant, no edible parts, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. It depends upon the plant to plant. Some plants will be edible parts will be there. Some other plants we don't have any edible parts at all. Okay. So node, internode, bud, stem, leaf, fruits, flowers. These are all comes under the root system. Root system means what? Primary root, secondary root, and all. And plant will store the food in different parts of the its body. Like some plant will store in the form of flowers. Some plant will store in the form of buds. Some plant will store in the form of roots. Okay.
Sir, but it doesn't.
Hmm?
Sir, but it doesn't store it in the stem, sir, because that's where the food grows. That's where from the that's the pipeline, sir. Because the roots take water from the soil and it takes them to the leaves, sir. So they don't store the
What
food.
about sugarcane?
Very good. That's what my doubt. What about the sugarcane?
Sir, and bamboo also.
Bamboo is different. You won't eat the bamboo, right?
Stem. Sir, even
Okay.
banana stem is edible.
Yeah, banana stem is also edible. We'll eat and we'll make it curry also. Good.
Sir,
So
almost every part of banana is like edible.
it's not every part and all. The upper peel will not eat right directly. It will keep it for animals only.
Yes.
Okay. So some plants will store the food in the form of stem also. It's not compulsory like it should store only in the flowers or fruits or roots. Okay. So edible means what? Which we can eat. Okay, or which is fit to eat. Non-edible means it is unfit to eat. Okay. Clear or any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now Suppose if you take the brinjal curry, it'll have the brinjal, chili as the spices, oil from the groundnut or mustard or the soya bean or any other plant. So each and everything will come from the different parts of the plant, right? Brinjal is coming from the fruit of the plant, or you can say first the flower will grow, then it will become into the fruits. That is only the brinjal. Chili will come from the again the same. The flower will go first, again it will extend into the fruit. Okay, but oil is coming from the seeds out like groundnut, soya bean, or any other plant
Sir,
like this.
mustard seed.
So all the three are the different source only, right?
Sir, but we'll get the from the cotton seeds also, sir.
There is a cotton oil that is a different. We'll get the cotton seeds also. We'll get the cotton oil. So palm oil also will be there. Oil you'll get from the different types of seeds. Okay.
Sir, sunflower or seed?
Sunflower is eating from the sunflower plant, right? Sunflower seeds only will be there.
Yes, sir.
So here only one example they have given that one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
plant parts and animal products as a food. So what is going to happen? What is showing in this figure?
Sir, if we eat poisonous leaves, we might die, sir.
We should not taste all the things without knowing about it, right? We should not eat without knowing
Yes,
about
sir.
that type of food, what type of it is. Because we don't know which one is a good for health and which one is a bad for health.
Sir, hemlock leaves, sir, they are also poison.
Sir, even some mushrooms are poisonous, sir.
Yeah, correct. Because mushroom is a different thing, right? It's not directly growing,
Yes,
right?
sir. It takes the food from other plant.
So it is a saprophytic nutrition, which will depends upon the dead and decaying matter, like that.
Sir, is mushroom a fungus?
No, it's not the exactly a fungus, but it's a saprophytic type
Sir,
of
but it
nutrition.
grows on
It will grow on
like
the
wood, sir.
wood and decaying matter. It will grow. So we have to clean it and we have to boil it properly before cooking, before we are eating. Okay. So you know the sprouts, right? Think I have given the homework for you also. Do this in your home in the last two second class.
Yes, sir, you gave, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you keep the chana in the water for some days, what will happen? The sprouts will be formed.
Yes, sir, the white like structure.
So it's very healthy it's very healthy for our body, right? It is highly proteinous food also.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, there are white
Sir,
color. That one is there, no, sir. With that, the sprouts are so healthy.
Yeah. So instead of eating this chana, the left side part, the right side sprouted chana is very healthy. Okay.
sir, why, sir? The white things will give like more nutrition.
Yeah, it will give some more nutrition. It will have the more nutrients than this chana.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this left side one, we can make it into the right side one by
Sorry.
keeping it in water.
Yeah, that's all. Just you take the handful of chana and keep it in the water, and in the morning remove that water and keep it in the cloth. That's all. Within one day, you'll get the sprouts. 1.5 day.
Sir, I have tried this.
Sir, we can eat the raw, sir.
You can eat raw also, no issue in that.
Sir, I have tried this activity with lemon seeds, sir. Then after sprouting, I kept in some pots and I got small saplings, sir.
Okay, good. So you also try. You have the groundnut or chana or any other pulses you have.
Sir,
Na?
we do that a lot, sir.
Okay, good. So those you didn't do till now, you just try it once again. Okay.
Sir, one day I did the germination of the chili seeds.
Germination of chili seeds.
Sir, from that one, a plant will come, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I show that?
Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you can bring.
So 1 minute, sir.
What about Lohini? Turn on your cam.
So this is that.
Okay, good.
What is that, sir?
Sir, it looks like mini aloe vera.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So clear up to this, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So if you take the moong dal also, it will form the sprouts like this. So just these are the small things which you can do in the home also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, with any type of chana it will work?
Sorry.
Sir, with any type of chana it will work, sir?
Yeah. Pulses all will undergo generally this type of thing only. They'll sprout generally with chana. But
Okay,
with
sir.
not with the different types of chana. It should be in the green color only. Moong dal means it should not be in the yellow color or the white color.
Oh, okay, sir. That's what my question was, sir.
So what is the nectar?
Sir, nectar, sir.
Sir, the juice-like substance in flowers.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Sir, bee sucks it up, sir.
From flowers, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's in the middle of the flower, sir.
The sweet juice which is present in the flower, right?
Honey.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The
Sir,
juice
once
which are present in the
From
flower.
which honey is made,
Sir,
sir.
one time before long back, I drank the nectar of a flower directly, sir.
How?
Sir, now Sriharsha will have like a long nose, sir, because he's a
Sir,
mosquito.
Sriharsha is a bee.
How you suck the nectar of the flower?
Oh, the straw, sir.
Sir, no, sir. Backside of that, one, it is like something, sir. If we take out means from that, the nectar will come, sir.
Okay.
Was it tasty?
Yeah, it's tasty, but it is some poisonous.
Poisonous.
You should not drink like that. Okay. First thing.
Yes, sir. That's why I
Other
didn't
flowers.
drink anytime.
Nectar is nothing but the sweet juice present inside the flower, in which
Sir,
the bees
sir, is
or
that
the
really
insect will
poison?
suck that. Yeah,
Yeah, somehow
not
it
all
was.
the flowers, some flowers. Okay, some flowers will have the poisonous nature, not
Sir,
all the
like?
flowers.
Sir, like?
I don't know exactly the names of the flower. I'll
Okay.
tell you in next class. Okay. So nectar
Sir,
are the
is that
sweet
our
juice present
homework,
in
sir?
flowers. Okay. So generally the insects or the butterflies or the bees, which will depends upon the nectar of the flowers only for their survival. So if you take bees, they will collect all the nectar from the flower and will keep it stored in the honeycomb, right?
So means that will only form this honeycomb.
Yeah. So beehive will be formed like that. So what we'll do, we'll go and collect that. We'll take the beehive and we'll take the honey from that. So all the honeys will go to different places and collect the nectar from the different flowers and store it in the honeycomb or the
So
beehive.
they will keep fire under that. So.
They will keep the smoke, not the fire, so that all the honeybees will go fly out. So the person will go and catch that honeycomb and will take out the honey from that. So that is a diagram which is showing in the 1.7.
Sir, but now they are mixing jaggery in that, sir.
So it is not a natural honey, then it is an artificial honey. Artificial honey means what? Preparing from the artificial source.
Yes, sir.
So it will have an entirely different taste than the natural honey. Natural
Yes.
honey is only healthy for the healthy one, right? Not the artificial one.
Sir, so this is artificial
Sir,
honey, sir?
if we don't open
That we
honey,
can't
sir.
predict. Yeah.
Sir, in a box, sir, if we don't open honey, sir, sir, forever, if it will not get.
Honey is not the food which will damage.
Sir,
It will be there forever, right? It will not damage easily. Natural one I'm saying, not the artificial one. Natural honey will not have the expiry and all. We can take it anytime.
Sir, honey is
Sir, it
sticky,
will
sir.
never go stale, sir.
Yeah, it will not be get the spoiled or something.
Sir, there's one trick to
Sir?
see like if it's natural or artificial
Sir,
honey,
means
sir.
Yes, sir.
after
Just
50
check
to
if there is
100
a.
years. Sir, means after 50 to 100 years also we can drink that.
After 1,000 years also, we can drink that.
It's not exactly like that. After the 1,000 years and all, because it will not be there or no, we don't know. But it will not spoil at all, like other foods. Even after 1 year or 2 years or so, you can take that honey. No issue in
Sir,
that. Yeah,
sir, bees produce honey, right, sir?
yeah,
But do they drink the honey?
Yes,
yeah. They'll drink
they
the honey
use
also,
honey
right?
as shampoo.
They will store it like a food.
So this is all about the plant things. So chena, pulses, moong dal, about the plant products and all.
So bees
Sir,
only
like,
eat honey, nothing else.
It will depend upon the nectar of the flower, right? So it will
sir,
take the
means that
nectar
is
and it will
like we
prepare
are
the honey.
stealing their food, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, means that is like we are stealing their food.
Yeah, obviously we are stealing the food of the bees. So you are not stealing the food of the other animals daily.
Sir, we are not stealing animals' food, sir. Sir, we are stealing animals and we are eating them only.
You are daily stealing
Sir, we
animals.
are stealing their life, sir.
Good.
Sir, we are stealing their products also like a milk.
Sir, and they are very tasty.
Okay, okay. So next one is the what animals eat. So you have to tell what do animals eat because there are also
Sir,
one type of animal only, right?
herbivorous. Sir,
Sir,
herbivorous.
herbivores
Sir,
eat plants.
herbivores,
Plants and animals.
carnivores,
Carnivorous
carnivores
depend
eat
on others' meat.
Good.
and
Wait.
scavengers, sir,
First,
who
Sir,
Lohini.
feed
and
on dead bodies, sir.
Omnivorous
If
can eat both plants
Okay.
and animals.
First, we'll come back to Lohini first.
So
What is
scavengers
herbivore?
will eat.
Wait, boys. Lohini, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So how do you classify the animals?
What, sir? How do
How
you?
how do you classify the animals?
Herbivorous, omnivorous, and carnivorous.
Okay. Can you explain each and everything with example?
For herbivores, it's cow. Cow eat only grass, not dogs or fishes. Omnivores, it can be deer. Not deer. Bear.
Dogs.
Okay.
Hawk. They can eat grass, natural things, and animals. And for
Sir, bear can eat grass?
Hmm?
Sir, can bear eat grass? Sir, Lohini is saying bear can eat grass.
not grass, anything natural stuff.
Natural stuff.
Plant
There are
products
many
and fruits.
natural things. Natural edible stuff.
Honey,
Okay.
it will
Plant
eat
product
bamboo,
species.
it will eat sugarcane.
It can eat honey.
Hmm.
For
We'll test it. We'll
carnivores,
take it with you and
it's
we'll test it. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Sir, is bamboo edible?
Bamboo is not edible, right?
Sir, this how do pandas eat?
Pandas will eat bamboo.
Yes, sir.
they chew it.
Yeah, then what will they eat, sir?
I don't know. Pandas will eat bamboo.
Sir, I think that is not bamboo, that is sugarcane.
No, that's why
no, sir, sugarcane won't be that high,
sugarcane
sir.
isn't going to be in sir. That's why they say, sir, these pandas live in bamboo forests and they eat bamboos.
Okay.
Sir,
I'll
all
check
the
it and
time we can only see them holding one bamboo and eating it.
okay. Okay. Good. Maybe they will eat
Sir,
bamboo leaves or we'll check it and I'll tell you. Okay.
sir, I know one fact, sir.
Okay. Please wait. First, Rohin, let you complete the answer.
Lohini, sir.
For carnivores, tiger, they only eat meat, nothing else.
They eat only the meat, nothing else. Good. So these are the
Sir,
different. Hmm.
nothing, sir. Okay.
So these are the different types of animals. Herbivorous means which will eat only the plants. Carnivorous means which will eat only the animals or the flesh. Omnivorous means us, human beings, which will eat both plants as well as the animals. So directly or indirectly, all are depending upon the plants itself, right? So squirrel.
Yes, sir. Sir, if herbivorous will eat this grass, sir, if it can't eat grass or it won't live and then it will die, sir, and then carnivorous can't live because they can only eat meat.
Hmm. Good. So which one is better one out of the three?
Sir, omnivorous.
Because
It can eat all.
it needs both herbivorous
Yes, sir.
and the
Sir, and they get both of the nutrition, sir, from plants and from animals, sir.
Sir, but we don't eat omnivorous, right, sir? Sir, we don't eat dogs.
Mhm.
Sir, but we do eat hot dogs.
Okay, okay.
Carnivores will eat only meat. They cannot change to plant food or anything because
Sir, but
they have.
Sir, but
they
I
don't
saw,
have the-
sir, but I saw a dog eating grass, sir.
Really?
They have all incisors and that molars and premolars, everything. But a tiger has doesn't have molars and premolars.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
sir, I saw a dog eating this grass, sir.
Dog
Sir,
eating
one day I
grass.
kept the rice for the dog, sir. Curd rice.
Good.
Sir, it ate.
Yeah,
Hey,
it's okay. Sir, sir, when we went to our hometown, sir, there was a dog, sir. Sir, it had 7 puppies.
that's and puppies. Good.
I saw
Sir?
in
Sir, can I tell the fact?
No, no, no. We will finish this chapter and we'll have the facts only after this. Okay.
Sir, that is a small fact, sir.
Yeah. Then tell.
Sir, they will tell fox will not hunt, sir. Why? Because it will hunt only small animals, sir. It will wait till any animal will hunt, sir. It will eat only half, no, sir. Or rest it will eat, sir.
Okay, okay, good.
Because of its laziness, sir.
Sir, I've heard another fact, sir. Sir,
Okay, okay.
fishes,
Finish, right?
sir,
Wait for some time. Let me finish this topic. We're going to
there
finish.
is a small fact, sir.
Yeah, herbivorous, carnivorous, and the omnivorous is finished. Any doubts in this?
No, sir. Sir, what about scavengers, sir? They didn't.
Scavengers means it will depend only upon the dead materials, right?
Yes, sir.
Dead animals only it will depend.
Sir, then lion will eat this buffalo, sir. But some of the buffalo will, it will leave, sir. Then the scavengers.
The leftovers, sir. The
Whatever the leftover things are there of the dead plants or dead animals.
for
Sir,
example, a
the
vulture, sir, it
scavengers
flies
are
and
also
takes
called
the
Swachh
leftover.
Bharat of concession.
Sorry, Sriharshan.
Yes, sir, they are called the Swachh Bharat of forest.
Swachh Bharat of forest. Why Swachh Bharat came?
Sir, Swachh Animal Kingdom.
They are the cleaners for the environment, right?
Yes, sir.
They'll clean all the decaying matter present on the earth.
Sir,
So that
but they will eat only at the forest, no, sir, because they will find those at only forest.
Sir, but sir, do fishes speak?
sorry.
Sir, do fishes?
Yeah, it will have the excretory organs also, right?
Sir,
It
but
goes in the
from
liquid
where,
format.
sir? Sir, I've heard that he'll pee from his gills.
Okay, check it in the net, okay, and tell me next class.
Sir, I checked it
Sir, they
already.
will use the rocks. So they use
Okay,
their
okay,
gills
enough,
and
enough.
make.
Enough.
Sir, what was the question again, sir?
Just
Do
wait a minute.
fishes
It's
speak?
So next one is the. So with this we have finished this chapter. These are the some
Sir, but
important
sir, another
keywords.
thing, sir. Sir, why haven't they taught us parasite and scavenger?
Scavengers means it depends upon the dead and decaying matter.
Yes, sir,
Parasitic
we
means
know,
what?
sir, we've done that in 4th grade also, sir. Sir, but in 6th grade, sir, why are they not?
We discuss that in the other chapters, coming chapters. Animal products and the plant products and all will have a separate chapter, right?
Okay.
So in that we'll discuss it on parasitic nature and these things.
Sir, in my school, this is my first chapter, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So these are some keywords are there in this chapter, like ingredients. Ingredient means what? Different materials present inside the food is called as an ingredients.
Sir, to make the food, right, sir?
Yeah, to prepare the food, that is also ingredients.
So those
Edible.
two people, sir, what are they holding, sir?
They are holding gold coins.
Sir, I'm
Holding-
having same this book only, sir.
Sir, even me.
Sir, it's an
Textbook
IT
only,
book.
Sir, it's
NCERT.
an
That is
NCERT textbook, sir.
So next one is edible. nectar, sprouted seeds, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then what will be your homework now?
Sir, sir, eating fruits, sir.
Eating fruits. That's all. After eating
Sir.
fruits, you have to do some exercise, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
You
we
have to
already
finish.
do that, sir. Sir, but
Sir,
we
can
can't
we do
get out in
cooking?
our community, sir. Sir, daily in our community, sir, 3 to 4 cases are coming.
Okay, okay. You don't do the exercise outside. You are telling to do the exercise in the notebook.
That's it. Sir, exercise in notebook, sir.
Yeah, you have to exercise is there here. For your brain, you need some exercise right now. So write
Oh,
all the
sir.
answers here.
Sir, I
this
thought
is my
like sit-ups or
textbook. Can I
push-ups.
do
Sir.
this?
Sir, I was doing exercise in home, sir. Sir, 3 glasses broke.
Okay, good. So finish all the syntax questions and the tabular columns,
Sir,
whatever.
we've already done, sir, in our school.
Sir, when you said exercises, I thought physical exercise, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I
And
don't have the textbook.
you don't have this textbook.
Sir,
Sir, you can send the link of the NCERT.
sir, what about the people who have this textbook and we've used it in school and we
Money
sir,
plant
we
is
already
a
have a
climber.
So first
support,
for
sir.
the bottle
Sir, this
gourd
is
plant,
a
you have to
support
give
right?
them. Yeah, okay.
Sir,
So
can you make the chat to like everyone, sir, not only dive?
Sir, give it to. Sir, give this quiz, sir. Please.
yeah, chat to everyone only. It is there.
Sir, what, sir? You have sent the quiz.
Sir, can you? It's not there, sir. It's only to
Yes, sir,
you,
it's
sir.
not
Direct
there.
message.
Sir,
Just
whom
select
did you give it?
to everyone. Below you have the option about the typing box message.
Sir, we did not get it.
Yes, sir. I know, sir, but it's not there, sir. Everyone.
Okay, now you can check it.
Ah, yes, sir. Now it's there.
Sir, it did not come, sir, for me. Oh, yes, sir, it came.
So that's the textbook, sir, of science.
Thank you. Wait. Sir, now can we do quiz?
Not now. Just you go through the textbook and you can ask me the doubts.
Sir, we don't have any doubts. Does
Don't have any
anybody
doubt.
have any doubts?
He's
Sir,
only
they're
telling
saying no, sir. Sir, let's do quiz.
you listened already answer.
Yes, sir. He saw it, sir.
Very fast.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Next.
Yes, sir.
Very fast.
Yes, sir.